another episode of Kid Life 2. Today we're going to be making a giant spa set. It says that you can make lava lip gloss, sparkling perfumes, and bath bombs. Make some more bath bombs. Okay, let's get this thing open. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is so long. This is so big. Whoa. Oh, look, this is purple. For the background. So what do you want to make first? How about the bath bombs? Oh yeah, that we definitely need instructions. So, large single colored bath bombs. Yeah, that's coconut oil. Coconut oil is it? Are you sure that's coconut? That's that. And we need this baking soda. Then we need bath bomb mixture. Okay. We're gonna oil fragment droppers. What are fragment droppers? These things, I think. Yeah, these are fragments. No, this is That's fragments droppers. This is fragments. Okay, these are fragments droppers. Fragments droppers. Mica powder. What's mica powder? Where's the mica powder? What's mica powder? Here's mica powder. This is mica powder, and this is mica powder. So there's 3 mica powders. Oh, look, glitter, guys. Confetti. We need some confetti. Which one do we want? What confetti do you want? How about the pink first? Yeah, that looks pretty. Confetti, and then optional water, not included. Well, not included. Measuring cup, not included. Teaspoon, not included. Step 1, mix all of your dry ingredients together in a bowl. Okay, let's get all the dry ingredients. Pour 5 tablespoons of baking soda. Just want to be exact. Okay. Who cares? Next. So next, this might turn out to be then the baking soda. And 7 tablespoons of bath bomb mixture. Courtney, it says to mix with your hands. Yay! I'm so excited. How many? How many? 7. 3, 4. It's so fun. It feels so cool. Just so you know, we got this spa set for Christmas. Ew. It's still clumpy, but we have to mix it till it's not clumpy. Okay, Courtney. It's so weird. I know. It feels so cool. It feels like powdery snow. Oh, yeah. One time we made snow out of conditioner, baking soda, and all that kind of other stuff. Because we were in Arizona, it doesn't snow in Arizona. Yeah, and now we're in North Carolina. Step 2, add color to the mixture. Oh my word. Next, add 2.3 drops of the fragments of your choice. Fragments. Oh, I want it. It's so. Look, it's so blue. Wait, we want to make sparkling confetti bath bomb. Add 1 teaspoon. Okay, we already have it out. Let me see that. Oh, I know why they told you not to go in with your hands. It will stain you. Okay. So what do you think this is enough? Oh, that's so beautiful. Step 3, add oil to the mixture. Let's get about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and add it to the mixture. Do we have 1 teaspoon? I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon, but we need 1 teaspoon. Here's the 1 teaspoon. This 1 teaspoon? 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Let's start. So to put 3 drops of fragrance. Well, oh my word, it smells so good. Wait, ours is gonna smell the same thing? Oh no, I chose Berry Blast. It's so good. Mine's just blue because I have a blue shirt. Durham. Why does it say ham on it? But it also says, if you do it like this, it says Rad Hum. Rad Hum. Okay. Measure 1 teaspoon of water. 1 teaspoon of water. I know. We need this 1 teaspoon of what was it? more glitter. Whoa, my word! Guys, did you see that? Look carefully on mine. That's so cool! It made like foaminess. Look, watch guys. When you're blending the mixture with one hand, slowly sprinkle the water into the mixture. Oh my word, guys, look! Image. Okay, guys, watch. It's so cool. It's time to add. Oh yay! Finally! It's just push this. But it doesn't really matter what the color. Smush. Actually, it looks like because it's. Courtney, I need you to help me with the. I chose blue because that's the color of the water. That I'm gonna put it in. You don't need my help. You know, you're the oldest sister. You never need help. Yeah, that's so true. Like the time you saved me when I almost fell off the mountain. Yeah, into a cactus. I was like, Kaylin! And you're like, you saved my life. I was like, thank you, Courtney. Yeah, well, still, you don't need my help. You need my help in mountains. You don't need my help in bath bombs. Yeah, true. Okay, I think I did it. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit there. And then I'm gonna go wash my hands. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Testing that one. I'm going to be testing this one. Let's see. This one's kind of cracked. Oh, I can't open it. It's beautiful. Hey, I got this one open. It smells so good. Okay, let's get ready. 3, 2. You do yours first. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Oh, it actually works. It's not like, it's like bubbling. Ew, it looks like a rock on the blue side. Ew. Oh, it's like, mine's so. I added a lot of blue, but didn't. Oh my word, it's turning the whole bathtub blue. That was the conclusion of our bath bombs and our whole faucet. And make sure to smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you get notified when we make new videos. And we'll see you next time.